Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, then make a bow shape at the top of it, add a rubber band in the middle of it, and now pull sections in through this section in order to make multiple loops as such. Now add another rubber band in the middle at the base, and now pull up sections through it, and then this is what it should look like. Tie a ponytail to the hair and then use a multiple prong decorative pin, push it in through the side as such. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it and then at the base, make a braid out of it. Roll the hair upwards and now roll it up into a bun. Fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Now after you have done so, adjust the hair around it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, make them into braids before you join them together and join it at the back. Take a section from the left side, add a section in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, do the same on the right side and join these two sections together. Now add a rubber band in the middle of this newly created section, roll it in on itself, lift it up and then add a decorative clip on top of it as such. Adjust the rest of the hair. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail and then make two braids out of it, join it together and then make one braid, roll it upwards and then add a decorative pin through the side of it. Leave out two sections in the front and then take the section at the back, make a braid out of it and then roll it up into a bun. Use bobby pins in order to fasten it in its place and now make sections out of the two sections you have left out in the front and lift them up and join them together. Join two of them at the bottom as well and then add a decorative clip on top of all of this. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. At the bottom, create two sections and then begin to braid each of these sections, starting from the left side. Now we have made a braid on the right side as well. Taking the right side braid, pin it up on the left side, add a decorative clip on top of this. Taking the left side braid, pin it up on the right side, add a decorative clip again. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, make two braids at the bottom and then roll them upwards. Insert the loose ends in place and then add a decorative pin on top of all of this. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle of it. Now separate the section and pull the rest of the hair through it. Make two braids after this and then pull them up through the top as such. Pull them back down again and then do the same on the right side as well. After you're done with this, gather the excess amount of hair that is left over. Now tie a rubber band to the bottom of it, roll it in on itself, make it into a bun, lift it up and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Add a decorative pin on top of it. Take a section of the hair from the left side, join it to the right side, and now on the left side begin to braid the hair as such. As you are braiding the hair, tie a rubber band to the bottom of it. Now roll the braid upwards and then fasten it in place using a multiple prong pin or any sort of decorative pin. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Do the same for the left side as well. Comb all of the hair together and now begin to braid the hair. As you are braiding the hair, add a rubber band to the bottom of it and then roll it upwards. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Add a decorative pin at the top of it. Next, we will start off by taking this kind of a clip and now gather all of the hair around it together and then wrap it around the clip. Insert it inside. Take two sections from either side and tie it up at the back. Now take multiple sections and pull it through the top as such. Continue to do this on the left side until you move on to the right and now there's only hair remaining in the middle. At the back, roll the hair in on itself as such and then take two more sections, join it right underneath, add a decorative pin. Thank you for watching.